supplies.
Oh, hello, Rev Johns. I'll just be up back doing some experiments.
Hey, are you okay?
Yeah, oh, hi, Rev Johns.
Hi, Dalton. What are you doing here?
Well, I'm just measuring the pressure of steam at various temperatures.
Yo, Dalton, how you doing?
So happy to meet you, my man. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Oh, sorry. I have something to do, so I must be going now.
Oh, alright.
Alright, Dalton, what have you been up to?
Well, I've been measuring the pressure of steam at various temperatures, and basically I found that the total pressure of a mixture of gases is the sum of the partial pressures of its various components. I call this the law of partial pressures.
Oh, interesting. But what's with these old, outdated instruments? Shouldn't you use new ones?
Well, I understand there's newer ones out there, but this will do for me. Nothing extravagant, you know?
Alright.
As an investigator, Dalton was content with rough and inaccurate instruments, though better ones were readily attainable. Sir Humphrey Davy described him as a very coarse experimenter, who almost always found results he required, trusting to his head rather than his hands.
So, Dalton, have you ever thought about getting married? Well, there was this one girl.
回忆里想起模糊的小时候，云朵漂浮在蓝蓝的天空。那时的你说要和我手牵手，一起走到时间的尽头。从此以后我都不敢抬头看，仿佛我的天空失去了颜色。从那一天起，我忘记了呼吸，眼泪。
Oh, well, that's too bad. On a lighter note, have you thought about joining the Royal Society? No, no problem with that. It's can't even afford the membership fees. Wait, what? Oh, nothing. Just don't bother me. It's for science.
In 1810, he was asked by Davy to offer himself as a candidate for the Fellowship of the Royal Society, but declined, possibly for financial reasons. However, in 1822, he was proposed without his knowledge, and on election paid the usual fee.
My modern atomic theory consists of 6 statements. The first one, elements are made of tiny particles called atoms. Secondly, all atoms of a given element are identical. Thirdly, the atoms of a given element are different from those of any other element. Fourthly, atoms of one element can combine with atoms of other elements to form compounds. A given compound always has the same relative numbers of types of atoms. Fifthly, atoms cannot be created, divided into smaller particles, nor destroyed in the chemical process. A chemical reaction simply changes the way atoms are grouped together. Sixthly, when atoms combine in only one ratio, it must be presumed to be a binary one, unless some cause appear to the contrary. For example, water contains 5.6 times more oxygen by weight than hydrogen, by Lavoisier's experiments. Therefore, oxygen weighs 5.6 times more than hydrogen. The chemical equation is 1 atom of hydrogen plus 1 atom of oxygen makes 1 compound particle of water with the chemical formula of OH.
Wrong! H2O is water, not OH. I don't know where you get this stuff from, but it's all wrong. You know what? This is wrong. Wrong. When you're wrong, just get out of here. This stuff is all fake. You know what? Just cross all this out and it's all wrong.
Unfortunately, that last additional statement prevented his theory from being accepted for many years. Amazingly, all but 2 of the statements in Dalton's atomic theory are still believed to be true by scientists today. The statement, atoms cannot be created, divided into smaller particles, or destroyed, is inconsistent with the existence of nuclear fusion and fission, although such processes are nuclear reactions, not chemical reactions. In addition, the statement, all atoms of a given element are identical, is not precisely true, as the different isotopes of an element have varying numbers of neutrons in their nuclei, though the number of protons remains consistent.
I regret in life is that I never made too many friends.
What's going on? Dalton, Dalton, speak up, speak up, wake up, not now, not now.
Dalton died in Manchester in 1844 of paralysis. The first attack he suffered in 1837 and a second in 1838 left him with a speech impediment, though he remained able to make experiments. In May 1844 he had another stroke, and on the 27th he fell from his bed and was found lifeless by his attendant. Dalton had requested that his eyes be examined after his death in an attempt to discover the cause of his color blindness, and a 1990 study on DNA extracted from the eye showed that he had lacked the pigment that gives sensitivity to green, the classic condition known as deuteranope. In his book The 100, Michael H. Hart ranks Dalton as the 32nd most influential person in history.
Yeah. Oh, hi, Dots.
Hi, Dalton. What are you doing here?
I'm just measuring the pressure of steam at various temperatures.
No, Dalton, we're in.
Oh, Sir Humphrey Davy!
Okay, I have something to do. I leave you guys alone. Bye.